Greek Feta cheese represents a white cheese blend with a soft and creamy composition. If it were to compare with other cheeses, we would observe it has significantly lower calorie intake. Also, Greek Feta cheese is an excellent source of vitamin B complex, phosphorus, and calcium, making it the best option for achieving several health benefits. Greek Feta cheese health benefits. Number 1. A great aid in dealing with anemia. Studies show that Greek Feta cheese is an excellent adjuvant for those suffering from anemia. It is packed with mixed nutritional content that includes high quantities of iron, folic acid, and vitamin B12. Number 2. Beneficial for migraines. Did you know that Greek Feta cheese can be a great ally in facing migraines? Well, the high content of vitamin B2 and riboflavin acts as a natural remedy for migraines. Number 3. Promotes bone health. Greek Feta cheese is the best cheese variety for promoting bone health. Only one serving of this cheese can offer more than 140 milligrams of calcium, which keeps bones strong and healthy. Also, studies show that daily intake of Greek Feta cheese can prevent osteoporosis. Number 4. Promotes gut health. Greek Feta cheese is great for digestive health as it acts as a natural probiotic that balances gut bacteria. Besides, studies show that this type of cheese is best for dealing with diarrhea, vaginal infections, urinary tract infections, or even irritable bowel syndrome. Number 5. Great source for healthy fatty acids. Greek Feta cheese stands out due to the complex fatty acid composition. It is rich in conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which prevents diabetes and acts as an anti-cancer compound.